Hello, welcome students. Myself Durgesh Kumar Kotangale, Assistant Professor Computer Science, Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg. Today lecture is MSc 4th semester Computer Science, Paper 3rd, elective subject Data Mining and Data Warehouse, Unit 5, Mining complex type of data and applications and trend in data mining. Data mining definition. Data mining has opened a world of possibilities for businesses. This field of computational static compares millions of isolated pieces of data and used by companies to detect and predict consumer behavior. Its objective is to generate new market opportunities. What is data mining? Data mining is an automatic or semi-automatic technical process and analysis large amount of scattered information to make sense of it and turn into knowledge. It looks for anomalies, pattern or correlations among millions of records to predict results. Data mining is a strategic practice considered important by almost 80% of organizations that apply business intelligence. According to Forbes, the joint action of analysis and analytics and data mining, which combine static and artificial intelligence and automatic learning, companies can create models to discover connections between millions of records. Some of the possibilities of data mining includes: first is to clean data of noise and representation and repetitions. Extract relevant information and use it to evaluate possible results. And third, make better and faster business decisions. Data mining applications. Data mining is widely used in diverse area. There are a number of commercial data mining systems available today, and yet there are many challenges in these fields. We will discuss the application and the trend of data mining. Here is the list of area where data mining is widely used: financial data analysis, retail industry, telecommunication industry, biological data analysis, other scientific applications, instruments detections, financial data analysis. The financial data is banking and financial industry is generally reliable and of high quality, which facilitates systematic and analysis and data mining. Some of the typical cases are as follow. First is decision and construction of data warehouses for multi-dimensional data analysis and data mining. Loan payment prediction and customer credit policy analysis. Classification and clustering of customer for traded marketing. Detection of money laundering and other financial crimes. Retail industry. Data mining has its great application in retail industry because it collects large amount of data from sales, customer purchasing history, goods transportations, consumptions and services. It is natural that the quantity of data collect will continue to expand rapidly because of the increasing easy availability and popularity of the web. Data mining in retail industry helps in identifying customer buying patterns and trends that lead to improved quality of customer services and good customer relations and satisfaction. Here is the list of example of data mining in the retail industry. Design and construction of data warehouses based on the benefit of data mining. Multidimensional analysis of sales, customer products, time and regions. Analysis of effectiveness of sales campaigns, customer retains, product recommendation and cross refreshing of items. And third, telecommunication industry. Today the telecommunication industry is one of the most emerging industries, providing various services such as fax, paper, cellular phone, internet, messengers, images, email, web data transmission, etc. Due to the development of new computer and communication technologies, the telecommunication industry is rapidly expanding. This is the reason why data mining is become very important to help and understand the business. Data mining is telecommunication industry help in identifying the telecommunication pattern, catch fraudulent activities, make better use of resources, and improve quality of service. Here is the list of example for which data mining improve telecommunication services. Multidimensional analysis of telecommunication data, fluent pattern analysis, identification of unusual pattern, multidimensional association and sequential pattern analysis, mobile telecommunication services, use of visualization tools in telecommunication data analysis, biological data analysis. In recent time, we have seen a tremendous growth in the field of biological and biology, such as genomics, proteomics, functional genomics, and biomedical research. Biological data mining is very important part of bioinformatics. Following are the steps which the data mining contributes for biological data analysis. First is semantic integration of heterogeneous distributed genomic and proteomic databases. Alignment, indexing, similarity, search, and comparative analysis multiple nucleotide sequence. Discovery for discovery of structural pattern and analysis of genetic networks and protein pathway. Association and path analysis. Visualization tools in genetic data analysis. Other scientific applications. The application discussed above tend to handle relatively small and homogeneous data set for which the statistical techniques are appropriate. Huge amount of data have been collected from scientific domain such as geosciences, astronomy, etc. A large amount of data set is being generated because of the fast numeric simultaneous in various fields such as climate and ecosystem modeling, chemical engineering, fluid dynamics, etc. Following are the applications of data mining in the field of scientific applications: data warehouses and data pre-processing, graph-based mining, visualization and domain-specific knowledge, etc. Instance detection. Instance refers to any kind of action the threats integrity, confidently, or the availability of network resources. In this world of connectivity, security has become the major issue. With increased uses of internet and availability of the tools and tricks for intruding and attacking network, prompted instruction and instance detection to become a critical component of network administration. Here is the list of area in which data mining technology by maybe applied for instance detection, development of data mining algorithm for instance detection, association and correlation analysis, aggregation to help select and build discriminating attributes, analysis of stream data, distributed data mining, visualization and query tools. Next topic, data mining system product. There are many data mining system products and domain specific data mining applications. The new data mining system and applications are being added to the previous system. Also, effort are being made to standardized data mining languages. Choosing the data mining system. The selection of data mining system depend on following features. Data types. The data mining system may handle formatted text, record based data and relational data. The data could also be ASCII text, relational database data or data warehouse data. Therefore, we should check what exact format the data mining system can handle. System issue. We must consider the capability of a data mining system with different operating system. One data mining system may run on only one operating system or on several. There are also data mining systems that provide web-based user interface and allow XML data as input. Data sources. Data sources refer to the data format in which data mining system will operate. Some data mining system may work only on ASCII text files while other on multiple relational sources. Data mining system should also support ODBC connections or OLEDB for ODBC connections. Data mining functions and methodology. There are some data mining systems that provide only one data mining function, such as classification, while some provide multiple data mining functions, such as concept description, discovery driven, OLAP analysis, association mining, linkage analysis, statistical analysis, classification, prediction, clustering, outlier analysis, similarity search, etc. Coupling data mining with databases or data warehouse system. Data mining system need to be coupled with a databases or a data warehouse system. The coupled components are integrated into a uniform information processing environment. Here are the types of coupling listed below. No coupling, loose coupling, semi-tight coupling, tight coupling. Scalability. There are two scalability issues in the data mining. Row data size scalability and second column dimension scalability. Visualization tools. Visualization data mining can be categorized as follow: data visualization, mining result visualization, mining process visualization, visual data mining. Data mining query language and graphical user interface. An easy to use graphical user interface is important to promote user guided interactive data mining. Unlike relational database system, data mining system do not share underlying data mining query language. Data mining system product and research prototype. Introduction. Although data mining is a relatively young field with many issues that still need to be researched in depth, many of the self data mining system products and domain specific data mining applications software are available. As a discipline, data mining has a relatively short history and in constantly evolving. New data mining system appear on the market every year. New functions, features and visualization tools are added to existing system on constant basis, and effort toward the standardization of data mining language are still underway. Therefore, it is not our intent in this book to provide a detailed description of commercial data mining system. Instead, we describe the features of to consider when selecting a data mining products and offer a quick introduction to a few typical data mining system. Choosing a data mining system. With many data mining system product available on the market, you may ask what kind of system should I choose. Some people may be under the impression that data mining system, like many commercial relational database system, share the same will defined operations and a standard query language and behave similarly on common functionalities is if such a were the cases. The choice would depend more on the system's hardware, platform, capabilities, robustness, scalability, price, and service. Unfortunately, this is far from reality. Many commercial data mining systems have little on common with respect to data mining functionality or methodology and may even work with completely different kinds of data sets. To choose a data mining system that is appropriate for your task, it is important to have a multidimensional view of data mining systems. In general, data mining systems should be assessed based on the following multiple features. Data types. Most data mining systems that are available on the market handle format. Record based relational like data with numerical, catalogically, and symbolic attributes. The data could be in the form of ASCII text. Relational database data or data warehouse data. It is important to check what exact format each system you are considering can handle. Some kinds of data or application may require specialized algorithm to search for pattern, and so their requirements may not be handled by off-the-shelf generic data mining system. Insert specialized data mining system may be used which mine either text document, geospatial, geospatial data, multimedia data, stream data, time series data, biological data, or web data, or dedicated to specific applications such as finance, the retail industry, or telecommunications. Moreover, many data mining companies offer customized data mining solution that incorporate essential data mining function or methodologies. System issue. A given data mining system may run only one operating system or on several. The most popular operating systems that host data mining software are Unix, Linux, and Microsoft Windows. There are also data mining systems that run on Macintosh operating system 2 and others. Large industry oriented data mining system often adopt a client server architectures where the client could be a personal computer and the server could be a set of powerful parallel computers. A recent trend has data mining system providing web-based interface and allowing XML data as input and or output. Data source. This refers to the specific data format on which the data mining system will operate. Some system work only on ASCII text file, whereas many other work on relational data or data warehouse data, accessing multiple relational data sources. It is important that a data mining system support ODBC connect connection or OLEDB for ODBC connections. This ensure open database connections, that is the ability of access any relational data including those the IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, Oracle, Sybase, etc., as well as formatted ASCII text data. Data mining functions and methodology. Data mining functions from the core of a data mining system. Some data mining systems provide only one data mining function, such as classification. Other may support multiple data mining functions, such as concept description, discovery driven OLAP analysis, association mining, linkage analysis, statistical analysis, classification, prediction, clustering, outlying analysis, similarity search, sequential pattern analysis, and visual data mining. For a given data mining function such as classification, some system may support only one method, whereas other may support a variety of methods such as decision tree analysis, Bayesian network, neural network, support vector machine, rules based classification, k nearest neighbor method, genetic algorithm, and case based reasoning. Data mining system that support multiple data mining function and multiple methods per function provide the user with greater flexibility and analysis power. Many problems may require user to try a few different mining functions or incorporate several together, and different method can be more effective than others for different kind of data. In order to take advantage of the added flexibility, however, users may require further training and experience. Thus, such system should also provide noise user with convenient access to the most popular function and method. Or to default setting, coupling data mining with database or data warehouse system. A data mining system should be coupled with a database and or data warehouse system where the coupled component are seamlessly integrated into an uniform information processing environment. In general, there are four forms of such coupling: no coupling, loose coupling, semi tight coupling, and tight coupling. Some data mining systems work only with ASCII data files and are not coupled with database or data warehouse system at all. Such systems have difficulties using the data stored in database system and handling large data sets efficiently. In data mining systems that are loosely coupled with database and data warehouse system, the data are retrieved into a buffer or main memory by database or warehouse operations, and the mining functions are applied to analyze the retrieval data. This system may not be equipped with scalable algorithm to handle large data sets when processing data mining queries. The coupling of data mining system with a database or data warehouse system may be semi-tight, provide the efficient implementation of a few essential data mining primitives such as sorting, indexing, aggregation, histogram analysis, multi-way join, and the pre-computation of some statistical measures. Ideally, a data mining system should be tightly coupled with a database system in the sense that the data mining data retrieval process are integrated by optimizing data mining queries deep into the retrieved mining and retrieval process. Tight coupling of data mining with OLAP based data warehouse system is also desirable so that mining on OLAP operations can be integrated to provide OLAP mining features. Scalability. Data mining has two kind of scalability issue: row data size scalability and column dimension scalability. A data mining system is considered row scalable if when the number of row is enlarged 10 times, it takes no more than 10 times to execute the same data mining queries. A data mining system is considered column scalable if the mining query execution time increases linearly with the number of columns. attribute or dimension. Due to the course of dimensionality, it is much more challenging to make a system column scalable than row scalable. Visualization tool. A picture is worth 1,000 words. This is very true in data mining. Visualization in data mining can be categorized into data visualization, mining result visualization, mining process visualization, and visual data mining. The variety, quality, and flexibility of visualization tools may strongly influence the usability, interpretability, and attractiveness of a data mining system. Data mining query language and graphical user interface. Data mining is an essential exploratory process. An easy to use and high quality graphical user interface is essential in order to promote user guided, highly interactive data mining. Most data mining systems provide user friendly interface for mining. However, unlike relational database system where most graphical user interface are constructed on top of SQL, which serve as a standard well-designed database query language. Most data mining systems do not share any underlying data mining query language. Lack of a standard data mining language make it difficult to standardize data mining products. And to ensure that interoperability of data mining system, recent effort at defining and standardizing data mining query language include Microsoft OLEDB for data mining. Other standardization effort include PMML, Predictive Model Markup Language, part of a international consortium led by DMG, www.dmg organization, and CRISP-DM course cross-industry standard process for data mining described at www.CRISP-DM organization. Data mining theme. Theoretical foundation of data mining. The theoretical foundations of data mining include the following concepts: data reduction. The basic idea of this theory is to reduce the data representation with trade accuracy for speed in response to the need of obtain quick approximate answer to queries. On very large database, some of the data reduction techniques are as follow. Second is data comparison. The basic idea of this theory is to compare the given data by encoding in term of the following. Third is pattern discovery. The basic idea of this theory is to discover pattern occurring in a database. Following are the area that contribute to this theory. Probability theory. This theory is based on statistical theory. The basic idea behind this theory is to discover joint probability distributions of random variables. Probability theory. According to this theory, data mining finds the patterns that are interesting only the extent that they can be used in the decision making process for some enterprise. Microeconomic view. As per this theory, a database scheme consists of data and patterns that are stored in the database. Therefore, data mining is the task of performing include an induction on databases. Inductive database. Apart from the database oriented techniques, there are statistical techniques available for a data analysis. These techniques can be applied to scientific data and data from economic and social science as well. To be continued, next lecture, next video.